Hi, this is a quick recap about how to implement the sonar on Gazebo and rviz. First thing, in my launch file, you're launching this one that brings up the robot with Gazebo and rviz. You need to put the default value to true here, or use input this as an argument on the loader of the model. The next thing that we implemented here for bring up the sonar is the plugin and the model. So where I found the model was found here on the Hector Gazebo plugins. So you need this library for the simulated sensor. Also, if you want to see which one is this sensor, is this one. Could be anyone. And the model I loaded from GrabCAD from here. I think this was the one I chose. I don't remember right now. And then on the meshes, we got the sonar here as a STL file. Next, we have the URDF file for the sonar. So here's the URDF. No, this is the Gazebo model. Here's the URDF. Okay, for the URDF, it's pretty simple as the others. We got the mesh file for the sonar. Also, we got the collision as the same dimension of the model. It's a box practically. And we got the inertia here that we included above, and also the Gazebo model. For the Gazebo model, as I told you, I use the vector, I think. Yes, I use vector. And those are the necessary parameters to make the sonar work with the vector. So basically, you call the macro here, you put a prefix and suffix, and specify a reference link, the topic name, the update rate, the range of the sonar, and the field of view, also the raycons. So next, I think that's everything because we covered the Gazebo model, the URDF model. The next thing is to launch the model. So when we bring up everything is up and ready, next thing what we want to see are the topics. Oh, sorry, list. Okay, there are 8 sonars. I know that sonar 3 is the one in front. So how I pick up the numbers of the sonars is arbitrary. I choose this in that way. For example, let's put a blank drawing here. Fill the model. No. New basic drawing. Here, let's use the flowchart. Okay. So for understanding, in example, 0 is the lidar that is not was not bring up in this example, but for the sonars, particularly speaking, let's see, insert text box. Okay, this is number 1 here. Number 2 is here. Let's put in number 1 below. Okay, number 2 is here. Number 3 is here. Number 4 is here. Number 5 is here. Practically is here because here are the wheels. 1 is here too. number 6 is here, number 7 is here. Oh, sorry, 7 and 8. Okay. Why I choose this particularly build-up? Because I choose the middle point as 0 and from the right to the left as counterclockwise. And that's basically the positions of the sonars. So let's move back to Gazebo and rviz. So as you see, I told you that number 3 is the front sonar. Let's close it. So for view the topic, you can view topic plus topic echo /sonar 3. But if you want to check only the range, because there are the parameters, range only. So how do we know that the sonar is behaving properly? Let's see. First put a model here and change the dimension of the model. Let's put some length and reduce the radius. Okay, this will be fine. Okay, when I choose that and move in front of the model, oh, okay, you will see that here the distance changes. So near, here you will see. Okay, I don't change it a lot. Let's move to another view. Here. Here you see, here is changing the value. And in rviz, in the same way that we view on Gazebo, we can check it on rviz. First, let's add the topic. Topic is range. Here it is. And we are viewing sonar 3. Topic sonar 3. Then you will see a cone here. So when I move the object, you will see that the cone will expand or collapse. Here you see the, okay, let's go back. Let's see. Here. It's longer than previous seconds ago. Let's move in front. You will see it will reduce. And if I move again back, it will expand and so on. So basically, you have all the sensors implemented. Let's see the last one, that is the odometer. I have a problem here on the odometer. I will explain why, but it's the way that we did the model that has this problem. So the plugin works, but in my case will not work. So let's move to the odometer video and then explain more about that here. And you will see, you have seen here that everything works and the sonar is working, and also the topics. You can implement your sonar in your project. Thanks.